Okay. I think I'm recording here. See if I can see anything. How do I do this? The grass is wet. Ooh, well, that looks, we think we found the problem. Yep. That's, definitely a problem. Definitely a problem. Can you see that? Am I holding this right? Get this in here. Whoa. Oh, the camera touches stuff I can't even see. I don't know anything about what I'm looking at, but it doesn't look good. Wow. I'm gonna have to go study this. What I want to know is there another part? I don't know where that goes. I guess it goes up into there. And I guess that ring I found comes from there. Right? Can I see it? That's what I'm trying to focus on. Camera's wonky. Yeah, I guess it comes from there. So that ring that's full of oil came from there. Wow. Okay, well, at least we know now. Okay.